All right, join me for a Disneyland Hotel Deluxe Studio Villa. This is the restroom. When you walk in, it is actually a split bathroom. We got a full shower, beautiful, beautiful lit mirrors, and some designs in there. Hello, everyone. And then inside, you're gonna have the absolutely not H2O products, but shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Nice shower head. And then you'll have a separate bathroom area for the toilet. So you have some towels in here, a sliding door. This room here, again, really themed to Tiana. These rooms are either going to be a Princess and the Frog theme, or they're going to be a Aurora theme. This is a full-length mirror to do your fit checks before going to the park. And this room really glows. It's absolutely stunning. You've got, obviously, this beautiful TV welcoming us. The headboard behind it is all detailed to Tiana and Evangeline and different things from Princess and the Frog. I think every detail is so well done here in this building. You also have another full makeup mirror and artwork and a bench over on that side. You can see below you have 6 drawers, 2 little stools to store more things. You have this ottoman as well that can be used as a tabletop. And then again, this kitchenette. This is going to be something you'll only find in the DVC rooms, the studios. You're going to have a sink, microwave, dishwasher, all of your paper plates and actual real plates and needs. And then next to it, you have a large closet with some robes and Tiana's dresses in the back, but lots of storage space here up and down. And then another full-size closet where you'll find your safe, steam iron, extra pillows and things. There's also a laundry basket, which is really great. There's actually laundry services on the first floor of this building. So if you are looking for laundry, you can do that. This room is equipped with a full queen bed here with a gorgeous lit headboard. And you've got the pull down Murphy. So you can sleep up to 4 people in this room. This is a preferred view, which basically means you're gonna get a view of the pools. So again, here's our view at our window. You've got the monorail pools there, and some of the other activities down below. It's a beautiful day. You can also see the mountains, the distance, and the Grand Californian. So if you are looking for a great place to stay that is walkable to so much, this room could really be it for you.